Hey guys, I'm Sam Cambetus and today I'll be reviewing the Scosche magnetic window and dash mount. Okay, let's get into an unboxing and then we'll go and install it into the car. Okay, so let's take a look at the box quickly. We have 360 swivel mount. It mounts to textured surfaces. If we open it up, you can see we'll have a magnetic plate to attach to the phone, the mount, and it says it's 100% safe for devices. So I was a little bit worried about putting a magnet on my phone, but here I guess it assures us that it is safe. So in the box we get a small metal plate and a big metal plate. So you can put it directly onto the device or on the case. And here it's got like a rugged, looks like an OtterBox, a case with 2 layers. So you would put it between the 2 layers so it's closer to the magnet, I guess. You can tighten this up so it doesn't move and make it loose so you can move it. And that's to clip it down. Alright, so we have 2 metal plates, both with M3 tape on the back. And I think this is a sticker to put behind the plate, if you're sticking it directly onto your phone you don't get any sticker residue, I guess, left on there. And then we also have a cleaning wipe. Let's put it in. This is a Samsung S7 Edge. So it's in there. It's not as strong. I don't think it's going to be strong enough with this case on for driving. I think it's going to fall off. Let's try a different case. Try to show you the thickness of it. Alright, so we have this. It's just a thin plastic case. If it doesn't work through this case, then this is definitely going back to the shop because it's no good. Okay, so this is a really thin case. Yeah, it's a lot better on this case. You can actually really feel the magnet grabbing it. So as long as you don't have a thick case, this one seems to be really good. But this case is pretty thin. Okay, so we're in the car now, but we have a little problem. I really wanted to mount the holder here, but it doesn't sit flat. And I've tried upside down and it doesn't fit. The reason I wanted to put it in there is because I have this little cable run. I can put my cables up through here. This actually comes off, and then below here is my ports that I can use for charging. So I might go back to the shops and get the other mount that has the small flat stand thing down the bottom, because then I might be able to fit it in there. So alright, let's head back to the shop and see how we go. Alright, so I'm back from the shops and I picked up the smaller version of the Scosche magic mount. You can see this one here has the smaller base. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing of this one. Okay, so inside the packaging we have the mount with the 360 swivel. It's got cable management. You tighten this so you can't move it around. Instructions on how to stick it. And you can also bend this so on curved surfaces it should stick. So same as the other mount. The magnet's really strong by itself. It's not going anywhere, but we'll test this out once we've hooked it all up and put the case on. Alright, let's go into the car. Okay, so now I'm ready to mount. I'm thinking of placing it here. I did think in the middle, but I think the phone will be a little bit too far away from me here. So I think if it's over here, it's a little bit closer. The only issue is with mounting it here is I'm not going to be able to do the swivel. But I'm not too worried about that because I can always just pull it off and replace it. Let's stick it there. Alright, so we'll get our cleaning wipe. Make sure it's all nice and clean. Peel off the sticker. Alright, I want to get it as close to the edge without hanging over as possible. Okay, so I think that's stuck on pretty good. That's what it looks like from the back. You can see that I got a little bit too far to the edge, but it still feels really sturdy on there. So I think that stuck pretty well. And that's what the phone looks like mounted. It's pretty sturdy. Don't think that's going to fall off. There we go. Cool, I'm pretty happy with that. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.